The next war won't just be fought with bullets and bombs, it will be fought with machines that think, move, and capture. Warfare has evolved with every leap in technology, from trenches to tanks, from jets to drones. Now a new force is rising, autonomous, unmanned, human-like in form, but not in mercy. Meet the autonomous combat humanoid, trained not just to fight but to infiltrate, neutralize, and dominate, all without human casualties on its side. It moves like a soldier, learns like a neural network, and acts with the precision of code. But war isn't just about territory anymore, it's about perception. When a machine captures your soldiers alive and broadcasts it to the world, it's not just a military defeat, it's a narrative collapse. This is psychological warfare, automated, a tool to break the will of your enemy without firing a single lethal shot. But with power comes peril. Can we trust machines with decisions of life and death? Humanoids can be hacked, misused, or turned into weapons of terror. The arms race has already begun. The 2020s belong to drones. But the 2040s may belong to those who master humanoid dominance. Not just in combat, but in commanding the story of the war. In this new era, victory may go not to the strongest nation but the smartest machine. Subscribe to SciX24, where we decode the future before it arrives.